Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 6.4 question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Let us find. Suppose this is a square and the length of the square is suppose L. Since it is a square, all the sides are same, this is also L. Therefore we know that area of a square is equal to side into side into side. Let us take the length of the side of this square is L. Therefore we are finding L into L, that is L square. Area is L into L, that is equal to L square. Right? And area is given as 441 meter square. Therefore according to the question, L square is equal to area of the square, and area is given as 441 meter square. 441. Therefore we'll find the value of L. L is equal to the square root of 441. By division method, we'll find the square root of 441. 1. Now, find the square root of this number. First of all, multiply 2 divided by 2. That is 2 to the 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. This 41 will come down. 41. And if we double the quotient, the 2 to the 4. If I take the value as 1, it is 1. That is 41. The remainder comes to 0. Right? Therefore, the value of L is equal to 21 meter. What is the question? Find the length of the side of the square. Therefore, the length of the square is the length of the square is 21 meter, and that is the answer. Once again, we are repeating. We know that the area of a square equals side into side. If we take the length of the side of this square is as L, the L into L is L square. According to the question, that is area is given as 441 meter square. The L square is equal to 441, or 8 equal to root over of 441. We get the square root of 441 as 21. Therefore, the length L is 21 meter. Therefore, the length of the square is 21 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.